Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the American economic juggernaut rolls on, dominating global markets. American new home sales levels in February missed estimates, but 7% mortgage interest rates basically explain that. They eased a minor 0.3% from January to an annualised rate of 662,000 and below market expectations of 675,000 rate. Nationally, the US Chicago Fed's National Activity Index expanded in February, pushing past the January retreat. But to be fair, it's in a bit of a yo-yo pattern and has been since the end of the pandemic. And recent estimates of American economic activity generally agree its economy is expanding at about a 2% real clip in the first quarter of 2024. For an economy as large as theirs, this represents the bulk of the global economic expansion, adding more than $1 trillion in nominal economic activity at an annualised pace. Nowhere else comes close. In China, the IMF has noted that China needs to take a different path to recovery. Its fork-in-the-road comments challenge China's standard playbook to stimulus. Presently, they are using their considerable reserves to support the yuan against market challenges. In Taiwan, retail sales grew an eye-catching 9.3% in February from the same month a year ago, a sharp rise from January on the same basis. This was their sharpest growth in retail activity since June 2023. Clothing and food drove their expansion. And we've noted the rise of cocoa prices before, but they reached a new extreme level overnight based on recent poor harvest results in West Africa. US $10,000 a tonne, or New Zealand $17 a kilo, beckons. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.26%, up 6 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today firm up by $10 at $2,175 an ounce. And oil prices have risen $1 to $81.50 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is now at $86 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just on 60 US cents and marginally firmer than this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, though, we're a quarter cent lower at just over 91.8 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're still at 55.4 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 69.3 and little changed. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do